Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English University School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Junior 1, and our today's topic is Arabic alphabet with Pesh from Ta to Ya. That means from Ta Pesh to Ya Pesh U. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 7 and SW number 7. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Pesh from Ta to Ya. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 14 Arabic alphabets or letters, and now my dear students, we will put Pesh on every Arabic alphabets or letters. Okay, so my dear students, let's start. My dear students, you know that Pesh always takes places over the harf. So now I'm giving Pesh over the Ta. And now we have to pronounce this one Ta Pesh tu, and then this is Dha, and I'm giving Pesh over the Dha. And now we have to pronounce this one Dha Pesh Dhu, very softly. Now I'm giving Pesh over the Ain, and you have to pronounce this one Ain Pesh U. Now this one is Ghain, and I'm giving Pesh over the Ghain, and now we have to pronounce this one Ghain Pesh Gu. My dear student, this one is Ghain, not Gain. This one is Ghain. You have to pronounce this one Ghain. Now my dear student, this one is Fa. Now I'm giving Pesh over the Fa, and you have to pronounce this one Fa Pesh Fu. And my dear students, this one is Qaf. This one is called Dui Nukta Wala Qaf, and I'm giving Pesh over the Qaf, and you have to pronounce this one Qaf Pesh Qu. And this one is Kaf. This one is called Muddu Khane Pachano Kaf. And now I'm giving Pesh over the Kaf, and you have to pronounce this one Kaf Pesh Ku. And then this one is Lam. I'm giving Pesh over the Lam, and you have to pronounce this one Lam Pesh Lu. Then this one is Mim, and I'm giving Pesh over the Mim, and you have to pronounce this one Mim Pesh Mu. Then you know that this one is Noon. I'm giving Pesh over the Noon, and you have to pronounce this one Noon Pesh Nu. And this one is Wow. I'm giving Pesh over the Wow, and you have to pronounce now this one Wow Pesh Wu. Now my dear student, this one is Ha. I'm giving Pesh over the Ha, and you have to pronounce this one Ha Pesh Hu. And this one is Hamza, my dear students. After giving Hamza, you have to pronounce this one. Hamza Pesh U. And this one is last one, Ya. After giving Ya, then you have to pronounce this one Ya Pesh U. Okay, now my dear students, everyone read with me. Ta Pesh Tu, Dha Pesh Dhu, Ain Pesh U, Ghain Pesh Gu, Fa Pesh Fu, Qaf Pesh Qu, Kaf Pesh Ku, Lam Pesh Lu, Mim Pesh Mu, Nun Pesh Nu, Wow Pesh Wu, Ha Pesh Hu, Hamza Pesh U, Ya Pesh U. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned Arabic alphabet with Pesh from Ta to Ya. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home as SW number 7 from Ta Pesh to Ya Pesh U. My dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.